Tejasvi Developers, under the leadership of energetic and visionary Mr. Shivaji Thorat, began the journey with a seed capital of only rupees 5 lakh as a proprietorship firm. Over these years, today Tejasvi Developers has emerged as a leading name in the construction and real estate sector. With lifestyle and skyline of residential and commercial projects across Navi Mumbai, Tejasvi Developers is fast touching to the next level. With non-compromising attitude towards quality and delivering affordable luxury, Tejasvi Developers projects exceed the expectations of its customers. Tejasvi Developers specialized in making the affordable housing projects. Till date, Tejasvi Developers has delivered more than 10 projects such as Tejasvi Apartment, Tejasvi Villa, Tejasvi Arcade, Tejasvi Pride, Sandeep Corner, and among others with more than 1 lakh square feet area. The firm has a land bank of 2000 square meter at Navi Mumbai and Panvel. About Mr. Shivaji Thorat. Mr. Shivaji Thorat, 53 years, belongs to Mumbai in Maharashtra and has enriched experience in the real estate sector. After spending more than 3 decades in construction industry in Mumbai, he moved to Navi Mumbai in 2009 and started Tejasvi Developers. It was his passion and vision that has brought the firm to such a scale. Currently, the firm stands at a dominant position in the affordable segment in its key markets of Navi Mumbai and Panvel. His active involvement in all functions of the company has enabled successful delivery of affordable homes. With his vast knowledge and understanding of the sector, the company aims at delivering 500 homes over the next 5 years. The firm has indeed hit the fast lane of growth under his able and dynamic leadership. His great vision is to make Tejasvi Developer one of the best developer in Navi Mumbai and Panvel in affordable segment. In the real estate industry, he is a highly respected figure and known for his sharp business acumen and highest degree of work ethics. About Tejasvi Harmony. Tejasvi Harmony is a G4 plus story yard building situated in Karanjade. We are having a 1 BHK and 1 RK plus terrace. The amenities include vitrified tiles in the apartment, granite top kitchen platform, full height glazed tiles in kitchen, decorative main door with premium brass fittings, concealed copper wiring with fancy switches, concealed plumbing, powder coated aluminium sliding windows with marble sills, internal walls with POP or putty, pump room, lift of reputed make, entrance lobby aesthetically decorated. Now, why Karanjade? Navi Mumbai is Maharashtra's well planned suburb residential hub surrounded by a number of localities including Panvel, Nandgaon, Karanjade, Kopar, and Vadkar. Among them, Karanjade is one of the most popular and in demand locations. This locality has been identified as a perfect platform for residential property launches by several real estate developers. Enclosed by JNPT Road and Kalundre River on the two sides, the locality is well connected, has a pleasurable climate, and an excellent social infrastructure. Although the prices of residential properties have increased by 11.9% in Karanjade in recent years, they still fall in the affordable category. Other reasons on why Karanjade include: 1. It is very well connected. The locality possesses an integrated transportation system comprising of roads, railways, and airways. Karanjade is linked to Mumbai and other key surrounded areas by JNPT Road, Urban Road, Pargaon Road, and the NH47. Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation's bus services is the major public transportation in the region. The nearest stop being the ST bus stop, Panvel, which is 3 kilometers away. The nearest railway station is 6.6 kilometers from the region. The Central Railway Station and the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport are also in proximity. 2. Social infrastructure. Karanjade houses some renowned educational institutions including Kendriya Vidyalaya, ONGC, New English School, Little Angels Eco School, Commerce and Science, BP Marine Academy, etc. There are well known hospitals like Dr. A. Tungekar Surgical Center, Dr. Nandkarni's Hospital and Childcare Hospital. Branches of major banks are also situated in Karanjade, like State Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, and Syndicate Bank. 3. Great investment platform. With a well equipped social infrastructure and proximity to prime localities of the main city, buying a residential property in Karanjade would be a smart move by a home buyer. The investment is sure to fetch profitable returns. About Tejasvi Emerald. Tejasvi Emerald is a G plus 4 storied building situated in Ulve. We are having a 1 RK, 1 BHK, and 1 RK plus terrace. Amenities 1. Vitrified tiles in the apartment. 2. Granite top kitchen platform. 3. Full height glazed tiles in kitchen. 4. Decorative main door with premium brass fittings. 5. Concealed copper wiring with fancy switches. 6. Concealed plumbing. 7. Powder coated aluminium sliding windows with marble sills. 8. Internal walls with POP or putty. 9. Pump room. 10. Lift of reputed make. 11. Entrance lobby aesthetically decorated. About Tejasvi Royal is a G plus 4 storied building situated in Ulve. We are having a 1 RK, 1 BHK, and 1 RK plus terrace. Amenities are 1. Vitrified tiles in the apartment. 2. Granite top kitchen platform. 3. Full height glazed tiles in kitchen. 4. Decorative main door with premium brass fittings. 5. Concealed copper wiring with fancy switches. 6. Concealed plumbing. 7. Powder coated aluminium sliding windows with marble sills. 8. Internal walls with POP or putty. 9. Pump room. 10. Lift of reputed make. 11. Entrance lobby aesthetically decorated. Why Ulve? Ulve is one of the most important node of Navi Mumbai, situated beside Belapur and Nerul. It is developed and maintained by CIDCO and located in Raigad district. It is soon going to come under the purview of Panvel Municipal Corporation. Ulve has a sports complex with football, badminton, hockey, swimming pool, and indoor stadium. Ulve has seen drastic increase in the property rate due to the geographical location and proximity in the under construction Navi Mumbai International Airport. Seawood's Uran railway line and a proposed trans harbour link from Sevri to Chirle village in Nava Sheva. Ulve has big land parcels belonging to Reliance Industries Limited, on which big residential and commercial activities are expected to start soon. The nearest railway station is the Baman Dongri railway station, named after the village settlement located in the node. Being a newly development node of Navi Mumbai, many buildings and constructions are being developed in Ulve. A ceiling from Sevri to Nava Seva is proposed. Coastal Road is also proposed, which will act as a connector between Sea Link and the new NMIA, Navi Mumbai International Airport, and another arm of Coastal Road will connect Sea Link to JNPT. The Sea Link will have interchange at Shivji Nagar, Ulve, and it will be extended up to Chirle nearby Dronagiri node in Navi Mumbai.